Welcome to the course explanation of Technical Open Elective. The course name is Do It Yourself with Arduino and Raspberry Pi. In Module 1, we are going to learn about different types of Arduino boards. We will focus on Arduino UNO, Arduino Leonardo, Arduino 101. Then we will see the miniaturized version of different Arduinos like Arduino Micro, Arduino Nano and Arduino Mini. Then we will focus on different or advanced version of Arduino, which is Arduino UNO, Arduino DUE or Arduino Mega 2560. The next part of this module will focus on Arduino as a main circuit as well as Atmega 328, which is its main microcontroller. We are going to learn about this microcontroller. Module 2 will focus on Arduino software, its different buttons, how to use it and all. We will learn about embedded C programming for Arduino. We will learn all the syntax which are used to communicate, which are specially written for Arduino, and also some C programming. Then we will study different types of communication protocols like I2C, SPI, CAN, serial, etc. In Module 3, we are going to learn Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi 4 will be the focus, and then we will also study other types of Raspberry Pi. Different types of Raspberry Pi are Raspberry Pi 1, 2, 3 and 4 and Raspberry Pi 0 nowadays, which is popular. Then we are going to learn different operating systems which are used with Raspberry Pi. The main focus will remain on Raspberry Pi OS, but along with that we will learn other Linux systems as well. In Module 4, we are going to learn different interfacing of the sensors with Raspberry Pi and Arduino, and we will learn one by one program for each of them. Then we will study different communication modules and how they can be connected to Raspberry Pi and Arduino. The last module will cover advanced DIY boards available in the market. In this module, we are going to learn BeagleBone or Nano PC, Banana Pi, etc. Then we will have a look at Latte Panda, which is a Windows-based embedded board and which is powerful than a regular computer. Then we will study the advanced boards such as Intel Galileo and NVIDIA Jetson. And this is how we will wind up the course. Thank you.